Hi, and this video is going to teach you about the if function. The if function can report back words, so it can help you kind of analyze your data. So to get the function, you can choose the Insert Function button here. You can also go up to the Formulas tab. There's another Insert Function button, or you can find it in its proper category, or you can manually type it. So here's the if function, and it'll tell you what it does. So I want to know if this cell right here is greater than or equal to $100. And if that's true, what do I want it to say? So I'm going to say, well, that's too expensive. And otherwise, I can afford it. So, greater than or equal to 100. If that's true, it will say too expensive. If that's false, it will say affordable. And it says affordable. Another way you could do it is if you wanted to see if two things were equal. So maybe you had a number here and a number here, and we want to know if those are equal. Maybe it's a budget. We want to know if the debits and credits are equal. So we'll go to our Insert Function button, find the if, and our logical test is if this number is equal to this number, then we want to say balanced. And then you can give it an otherwise, or you can leave it blank if you want. And so it's going to say false if I leave it blank. If you want to edit that again, you can just double click. You can also click the Insert Function button again, and it will pull up this. So if we want to just leave it blank, we can do quotation marks, space, quotation marks. And now it's blank because it is not balanced. So if I change this number to 40, you'll notice that it says balanced. You could even do it for letters. So if you had some kind of a movie you wanted to go see, let's say it was the It movie, and it was rated R, you can go here and get your if function. And our logical test would be if this cell right here equals R, then that has questionable content, or it's a bad movie, don't watch, and then I can see. So since that's rated R, it says it's a bad movie, so let's try putting PG there instead. Now it says I can see. So the nice thing about if functions is it'll help you analyze your data. It'll sift through and let you know whatever it is you're looking for. So some ways you can do is to see if somebody's going to get a bonus at a job, to see if somebody's donated money, do they deserve the free gift. So instead of you having to sift through a spreadsheet to determine who gets the free gift, it will just do that work for you.